Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Mount and Blade 2 Bannerlord War Cells sound or audio issues. If you're facing any kind of sound or audio issues, or if sound or audio is not working in this game, then here follow the fixes to solve this problem. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on System and then click on Sound. Scroll down, click on More Sound Settings. Then select your default device, for example speakers, then click on Properties, then go to the Spatial Sound tab and then here select Off and then hit Apply, OK, and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then from the Spatial Sound select Windows Sonics for headphone and then hit Apply, OK, and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2 makes your sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Mount and Blade 2 Bannerlord War Cells game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Also make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers and see if that helps or not. Fix 3. If you are using a Bluetooth headphones, then here follow the steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth Devices, scroll to the bottom and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Then right click your headphones and then select Properties. Now go to the Services tab and check Hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then hit Apply and then launch the game and check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4. Set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if it fixes your issue or not. And the last solution is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by the additional peripherals, so disconnect any peripheral devices that are not important, such as USB devices, camera, phone, additional controller, mouse, keyboard, etc. and then check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily fix audio or sound issues in Mount and Blade 2 Bannerlord War Cells game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.